Remember, in the initial investigation that has happened till now, it has come out that there is this protocol or this procedure that is followed by the followers of this Baba on the route that through which he passes. These people actually, or his followers actually take the mud from beneath his feet and then take it home as a prasad, is what we are being told. And this is the procedure that was being followed when this entire incident has happened. Now, another confirmation has been given to us by the top officials of the UP administration is that more than 80,000 people were present over here. The permission was granted for a collection of 80,000 people, but the number of people who had collected over here was definitely more than 80,000, due to which this entire incident unfolded, and that became the cause of death of more than 116 people out here. Definitely a lot needs to be answered from the side of the administration at this point in time. Who is responsible for these deaths? Now remember, the organizers of this entire event, the Baba Bhole, who calls himself as a god man, who claims to be a god man, who claims to hear the voices of gods, is said to be one of the main accused in this entire matter. And the event organizers, they are the main accused. And now finally an FIR is also being registered in this entire matter against the organizers. On the other hand, the UP police is also investigating about the lapses that might have happened from the side of the administration. How did so many people collect over here? Did the LIU not have the requisite information? Was the top brass of the Hathras police not informed about the massive congregation that had happened over here? The permission was given for 80,000 people, but the number of people who had collected over here was more than 80,000. So definitely a lot of lapses has been given out here, and it remains to be seen what will come out eventually in the investigation. But yes, the UP police and the UP government is now leaving no stone unturned in trying to figure out as to how did this entire event transpire. Although the number of police officials that were present on the ground when this entire incident happened has still not been clarified by the Uttar Pradesh police. They say that it is a part of investigation as to what kind of deployment was actually made on the ground when this entire incident had happened. But this is confirmed that the permission was actually taken for approximately 80,000 people that were supposed to be gathered at that location. Definitely the kind of arrangements that were made from the side of the administration and also from the side of the organizers was definitely very, very insufficient, and that is the reason why we are seeing that such a massive tragedy has hit Hathras.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.